Matthew is just 19 years old, and at age 19, he has been able to make over 850,000 naira, taking advantage of blockchain opportunities. And guess what? He's not even up to 25 yet. So I did some diggings into the kinds of activities that Matthew was doing, and I found out that all of the activities we've been discussing, the blockchain activities, are the kinds of opportunities Matthew has been taking advantage of. And so today I want to show you this blockchain opportunity right now on RISEx. Let's get into it. So if you're between the ages of 18 and 25, you're broke, no experience, no technical knowledge, no connections, and you're wondering if crypto is actually for someone like you, you're in the right place. My name is Emmanuel, and on this channel, I show you how to make your first real income in the blockchain industry, starting from zero. No jargons, no shortcuts, just click by click and step by step. And in today's video, we're going to be covering RISEx, the quiet opportunity no one is talking about and Matthew is currently taking advantage of. Let's get right into it. So based off of my diggings and investigation into the kind of activities that Matthew at age 19 is doing that gave him the 850,000 naira, one of the activities is trading and using blockchain applications, and some of these opportunities a lot of people don't know, and even the ones that know are scared of. So we've been talking about trading for a couple of weeks now, and it turns out that's the kind of opportunities that Matthew is doing. And so all that Matthew does is he would come on this platform, buy and sell Bitcoin. And buying and selling Bitcoin would give him points. And these are the points that are now converted into money and the platform will pay Matthew. Now that you know, remember in the previous video on variational, we talked about delta neutral strategy. We also talked about it extensively on the Sodex and we paired the both of them together. But for RISEx, the task now is that we have to trade and points are not being distributed. So all you have to do is just buy and sell Bitcoin. And if you don't know how to trade as a professional, you can pretty much just use, RISEx and pair it with, variational or Sodex as the case may be. But at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you are taking positions. So as always is the case, like we did for variational and Sodex, we're going to take positions in RISEx and I'll show you how it works. But the first things first is you need to first of all deposit. And the way to deposit is you will check the description box of the video. You're going to find the link. If you click on that link, it will bring you here. Find your way to the trading terminal and click on the deposit. And there are two options. But before the two options, you have the option to select the chain you want to use. There are just 4 chains. You have Rise, you have Ethereum, you have Base, you have Arbitrum. I personally like to deposit using Base or Arbitrum because the transaction fees for Ethereum can be expensive, can be ridiculously high. So either you use Base or you use Arbitrum. In this case, we'll just use Base. And so now that the network has been switched to Base, you have two options. The first option is to deposit from your wallet. And what this means is because your wallet is directly connected to the account, you can click on this option or you can click on the sending option. If you click on this sending option, a QR code will be generated for you, and if you click on the continue, now you have the address and you must send the asset on Base network. If you send it on Arbitrum, it's going to be lost forever. You want to take note of that so you don't lose your funds. So you can see we have quite a smaller balance here, which is fine. I am just going to take an arbitrary position. I don't really care what is happening. I'll just open a short position by clicking on this. I clicked on this and we'll leave the leverage here at 25, which is fine. And then maybe we can use the max and just go short. So I just clicked on the short now and the position is filled and we're in. So down here over on in the position, I beg your pardon guys, I tried to switch the theme from black to white, but unfortunately there was no settings for that, which is why I left it like this. So we are in currently in the green. That's fine. We can just close the position whenever you're ready. So that's it. these are the ways that Matthew has been doing it. Now we know the tactics, we can get in on with Matthew. Thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you, please subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. So that's how you interact on the RISEx trade platform at the moment. Remember, everyone winning in the blockchain industry today, including Matthew, started from the exact position you're in right now, and that's zero. The only difference is they had access to the right informations and took action, and that's exactly what Overworks is here to do. If this video helped you, please subscribe, because next week I'm going to be showing you my personal strategic plan on how to use the rewards that Social Value Season 2 will be giving us next week Friday. And the only way to catch it is when you subscribe. Now, drop a comment below telling me exactly where you're starting from. And if you're on X, follow me at OverEmmanuel1. I share daily tips there that don't make it into these videos. See you next week Friday by 5 p.m.